Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to keep toolbar visible. So if you have this visible toolbar and if you want to hide or invisible, you can press Ctrl F1 to be automatically hide the toolbar. So if you want to visible again, you can press Ctrl plus F1 like this. Or the other option, you can click this drop down menu and you can click like full screen mode. This full screen. You can click again this dot 3. We will click in here and we can set in here to always show the ribbon. You also set another option like show tabs only. This is tab only. And to show again, you can press Ctrl F1 like this. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to keep toolbar visible. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.